This is a story of a little spark of joy that is passed from the parent to the child with learning and application of art and craftsmanship. This is also the story of Gus Baumann and how his puppets impacted the life of his daughter Anne in their living room in Santa Fe, New Mexico in the 1940s. Say hello to Gus. But in 1891, Gus's family migrated from Hamburg, Germany to New York City, and then by train to Chicago, Illinois. Get your hot Chicago hot dog. At the age of 16, Gus saw an ad and got a job as an apprentice to an engraver. For as he told a reporter years later, "Draw what you want, cut away what you don't, and print what is left." At the age of 24, Gus returned to Germany to learn about the woodcut printing process. And after 1 year, he received praise for his efforts. Also, when Gus was in Germany, he saw a performance of the Munich Marionette Theater. "It's scary around here. Don't go in those woods." Remembering his father, he resolved to make a puppet theater if he was ever blessed with children. He opened his own woodcut workshop in downtown Chicago. and they were married in 1922. Gus built a small studio and began to resume his block printing career. In 1927, the new couple was blessed with a daughter named Anne.
So that is the reason we are building the theater.
But Daddy, what is the story?
After a few days in the studio, Anne could hear and see Daddy carving away. The goblin was coming along. Anne, come and see the new puppet. With a little more work, carving for the two neighbors was made.
Let's see what we got. Well, the neighbors, they always have these parties around the Christmas season. Well, maybe this goblin could think that he wouldn't be invited to the party. He could get jealous and then mess up the house. The couple, they could have a fight.
And as those ideas came together, everyone worked on the background for the scenery. We gotta hurry. Okay, Mom, you're going to run the controls for Rosina. So when Watts calls your name, you jerk your control so it seems that Rosina's legs are jumping up. Okay? Now you got it? Finally, the big day was here, and all the kids in the whole wide world were lined out outside their door. Well, Anne found seats for everyone, and everyone waited. Dad opened the curtain. Shh, quiet, shh.
Oh, for the holiday season, I have so much to do. I get everything ready. I cook, I clean, I throw a party every year that my husband never helps with, but eventually he does.
What? Hey!
But the goodness that you're sleeping while I'm doing everything.
What? Yeah, I was sleeping. What are you talking about?
Yes, I know. That's the problem. You're always sleeping, and every year, Warts thinks he's not invited. He always is.
Rosina!
Look, there's the goblin.
Rosina, wake up! Rosina! Rosina! Oh, Rosina! I'm so sorry, Rosina. I didn't mean to make quite such a big mess in your house.
What? It was you? You are the one who took all of my party barn candles and threw them haphazardly across the house?
Well, you didn't invite me to your party, and I was really ticked off.
Warts, of course I invited you to the party. These are the dramatic situations I'm constantly dealing with.